Samsung is quietly making one of the biggest comebacks in the chip world right now, and most people are not even talking about it yet. But trust me, this is huge. Not long ago, Samsung Foundry was getting cooked online. Low yields, overheating chips, companies running back to TSMC, it was not a good look. But fast forward to now, and suddenly Samsung is signing massive deals with some of the biggest names in tech: Apple, Tesla, and now AMD might be next. Yeah, AMD. Let me break this down in the simplest way possible. Samsung just made its first real 2nm chip called Exynos 2600. This chip is made using Samsung's brand new 2nm GAA process. That sounds complicated, but all you need to know is this: 2nm means faster performance, lower power use, and better efficiency than 3nm. It's a big jump. This Exynos 2600 chip is going inside the Galaxy S26 series, and here's the important part. It actually worked. Like, it worked well enough that other big companies started paying attention. And that's where AMD comes in. According to new reports, Samsung and AMD are now in talks. Samsung wants to manufacture AMD chips using its 2nm process. If this deal goes through, it would be a massive win for Samsung Foundry. Why? Because AMD does not play around. AMD designs CPUs and GPUs that go into laptops, desktops, servers, and even consoles. They care deeply about performance, power efficiency, and yields. If AMD is even considering Samsung, that means Samsung's 2nm tech is finally looking legit. Now, here's another interesting detail. Samsung is not even offering AMD the same 2nm process used for Exynos 2600. Instead, AMD would get SF2P, which is Samsung's second-generation 2nm process. In simple terms, this version is more mature, more stable, and more refined. Think of it like this. Exynos 2600 was Samsung proving, hey, we can actually do 2nm. SF2P is Samsung saying, okay, now let's do it properly for big clients. Before anything goes official, Samsung's DS division is expected to make test chips for AMD using something called Multi-Project Wafer, or MPW. Again, simple explanation. This is basically a trial run. AMD will test those chips and ask three big questions. Does it perform well? Does it use less power? And is it stable enough for real products? If AMD likes what it sees, then boom, contract signed. And the crazy part? This deal alone could bring billions of dollars to Samsung Foundry. Now let's talk about the bigger picture here. Samsung has already locked in Tesla for future AI chips. That's not small. Tesla is building powerful AI hardware for self-driving and data centers. They need cutting-edge nodes, and Samsung is now on that list. Apple is also part of the story. Even though Apple mostly works with TSMC, Samsung securing deals tied to Apple in the past helped prove that Samsung can handle top-tier customers. So when you look at this lineup, Apple, Tesla, possibly AMD, you start to realize something. Samsung Foundry is not struggling anymore. Samsung Foundry is back. And it doesn't stop there. NVIDIA has already signed deals with Samsung, not for GPUs, but for HBM memory. That might sound boring, but HBM is insanely important for AI. Every AI chip needs fast memory, and Samsung is one of the leaders there. So now Samsung is hitting from multiple angles: logic chips at 2nm, AI chips for Tesla, HBM memory for NVIDIA, Exynos chips improving every generation. This is not luck, this is a real comeback. And Exynos 2600 is the turning point. For years, Exynos chips were the joke of the Android world. People avoided them, reviewers complained, users begged Samsung to switch to Snapdragon. But Exynos 2600 changed the conversation. It's not just about phones anymore. It's about proving Samsung can build advanced chips at the highest level. Once they proved that internally with Exynos, external companies started knocking. And here's what gets me excited. Samsung already says future Exynos chips will be even more powerful and even more efficient. That means better Galaxy phones, less heat, better battery life, and maybe, just maybe, Exynos finally earning respect again. If AMD signs this deal next month, like insiders are saying, this will be one of the biggest moments in Samsung Foundry history, because once AMD joins, other companies will start to trust Samsung too. That's how this works. One big win attracts another, then another. Then suddenly, Samsung is no longer the risky option. They become a real alternative to TSMC, and that changes the entire chip industry. Less monopoly, more competition, faster innovation. So yeah, this is not just about Samsung or AMD. This is about Samsung proving to the world that their 2nm tech is finally ready for the big leagues. And if this deal goes through, 2026 and beyond is going to look very different for Samsung, Android phones, and even AI hardware. This is one of those moments where the comeback story is just getting started.